Right, so right across the street you have your little parking lot, whether it be for your bike or a car. So that's pretty convenient. This guy's not looking. This is the Utopic. It's a hotel next door. And then we're checking in here. Hola, buenas. ¿Tengo un check-in? Iván, Ivanes.
Iván, la reserva ya está paga, solamente resta el pago del IVA.
¿Cuánto es?
El 19%, 175, serían como 30 y algo.
So we got a cool little lobby, very somewhat industrial looking. So we got a little complimentary coffee, tea, some water. Very artsy. What's that? Elevators. All right, so we're going to take a quick little tour. I'm going to start off in here with the bathroom. Got a nice little stand shower. All right, okay, got some towels, some hand wash. You do also have some shampoo and some body wash as well. Okay. All right. Okay, we do have a little complimentary water and some little snacks as well. And this is a standard room, and you're going to have a nice little kitchenette, little 2-burner top, microwave, and a little refrigerator, and some complimentary beer. You guys, nice standard size king bed. There is AC as well. Not that you really need it, but you have a nice little view to this front street. Now keep in mind, guys, we are right on the strip where all the restaurants and bars and nightlife is located, so it is definitely a great little location. And we also have our safe in here, guys, if you want to lock up your stuff. We do have a safe. Nice little, so it's a good sized room. Got your TV, nice little column, nice industrial look. Yeah, so this is pretty much it, guys. I'll tell you tomorrow how I slept. I mean, we are on the side, on a main strip here, so let's see how loud it is in the morning, but it's okay right now, even with the cars passing. But yeah, here we go. Let's go check out the rooftop, guys. There's a rooftop and a jacuzzi and pool, so let's take a look at that at night, because we'll also take a look at it during the day. Let's go upstairs. All right, so we were here to check out the rooftop. Oh, this is great. Nice little rooftop, little small little pool. All right, this is you guys, Medellin at night. Overlooking La Setenta, which is the main strip right here in front, where all the restaurants and nightlife. Medellin, beautiful view, guys. Beautiful. Doesn't have a gym, guys, but it does have some weights. If you want a nice little calisthenic workout in the morning, you can. Some bathrooms over here, guys. It's like a little safety issue here. It's probably closed because it's can't get tired of this view. All right, so we see how it looks at night. Let's see how it looks at daytime. All right, good morning, good morning. It's a nice little day. All right. And here we go at daytime. Yes, good morning, Medellin. This is a beautiful little view from the rooftop. Let's see the pool during the day. I think it's still closed, but we can at least see. It's a nice little, I mean, it's small, but it's a pool. So it definitely has something, nice little view. So you definitely want to get a little coffee and just enjoy these little remember, you got nice little free weights here. You can do like calisthenic workout. So it does have a little co-working space on the second floor. Everything's kind of off, but little vending machine, little co-working space. So it's really cool if you got like and then oh cool, nice little. So you gotta do some work, whatnot. You can just come down here and it's to, I guess, have like a little demonstration. You can as well. All right, I guess we can go downstairs here. Cool little art. All right, that's pretty much it. All right, guys, well, that sums up the night here. I had a great night, a great sleep. It was a little loud. Let's keep that in mind. We are 1 block away from the main strip where all the nightlife and everything is at. So it was a little loud to about 2 o'clock, and then it does quiet down afterwards, and I had a great night's sleep. So just keep that in mind. A little noisy at night, but expected. You're on the main strip. I did pay $54 a night for this room. It did not include breakfast, though. Here's what it is. The room with breakfast was $83 a night. So for $30 for a breakfast, it doesn't make any sense because there's so many places to eat around. So I would save the $30 and spend a fraction of that just going out by the local little bakeries and restaurants in the area. So yeah, definitely 54, 86, $30 for breakfast doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. I would just highly suggest is just book the room and then just there's so many places to eat. So just keep that in mind. Also, their checkout time is at 12 p.m., which is great. It's normally the 10, 11, 12 is a big difference. So that is a big plus. That pretty much sums up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was a great little stay here in Laureles. If you're looking for a very decent price hotel here in prime location, Medellin, then this is probably a great location to stay in. The Factory Lofts. All the information will be in the description box below, guys. So any questions that I missed out, please leave it in the comments below and I will answer as soon as possible. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like, guys. See you next video, guys. Bye.